Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide reposts on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide repost on TikTok, we'll be required to first open our TikTok app on phone. And after that guys, before we proceed, you need to know a thing, that is, in order to hide repost on your TikTok, you'll be required to make your account private. So to do that, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon or the profile button. At the bottom right, tap on it. And over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three lined icon available for us. Tap on that three lined icon, and again when this interface appear, tap on settings and privacy. And from over here again, you can see the privacy option available for us. Just below the account, tap on privacy. And over here guys, and on this interface, you can see the private account button available for us, and there is the toggle icon at the right side of it. So guys, in order to hide your repost on TikTok, you'll be required to tap on that toggle icon, and your account will be made private, by which guys your repost on TikTok will be hidden. And there guys, this is how to hide reposts on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.